Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and here I'm going to show you this vehicle here, which is the Panama. It's a part of the Trigano group. It was introduced for use on the Ford Transit custom base, but as you see, they've I don't know if Ford's had some problems with deliveries or not, but they're not all on the Ford Transit custom, and we can actually see the new one here as well, the most recent. This is a car. It's not it's a car you can sleep in. It comes with a tent in the roof, and some of them come with kitchen blocks as well. So if I stick the camera around here, you can see you've got a bit of storage there. You've got seats. There's a seat which would probably be better off inside. With the rails, it does give you the opportunity of moving things in and out. You can put things where you want. As I come in here, you can see this, the VW look, as I call it. Two burners, you've got a sink, storage, comes with a fridge, and down here is the place where people tend to put their toilet. In this case, it's a cardboard box, but there would be space there for something like a Trigano or something of that nature. Webasto heating, shore power, USBs. So it's a small vehicle. In a small vehicle, you can't expect wonders. Let's go into the next one. Have a look at this once more. Somewhat similar. This here we've got the table out. Gives you a better idea, I think, than the other one. These rails can be used for all sorts of equipment. There you go. There's the new look to the front. This was the first time I saw it, and a couple of weeks ago. So this thing here, I haven't been giving you the prices. Look at that, 82,500. And here we've got a lot of storage there at the back. We've got the kitchen unit's been moved to the back, but the kitchen unit is of course on the rails as well, and that can be put wherever you want. You might need a bit of a handle putting it where you want it to go. They've got the small fridge, isotherm fridge. Have a look at this one. In here we can see that the seats have been put down, and on the top of the seats there's mattresses, which because the seats aren't comfortable enough to actually sleep on. What you can do, of course, as I suggest to everybody, is to get a inflatable mattress. Takes up no space and they blow up in no time at all, and they can be harder than the mattresses here, or soft, just as soft, depending on what you're looking for. This is a camping box. I think that's the correct word for these things. Comes with a cooker, sink. In here there'll be a refrigerator and storage for other camping equipment. Panama, this is a new thing, off-road vehicle, and this comes at a cost of 80,000 euros nearly. And there you go, with same VW camper equipment inside. This VW camper, of course, is on the Ford. And comes with a tent in the roof. Okay, here finally we have this one here at a cost of 56,000. We've got seats, but a different setup below. If I come to the back, bed unit set up here. That's what a bed unit looks like. I mean, it's pretty big. Inflatable mattress, works much better, or just as well. It's easier to set up, and mine cost around 10 euros. Actually, I got it for nothing, but it cost around 10 euros. I'll leave you a link below to a place you can get it from. Okay, there you go. That's Panama. It's called Panama because it's the link between the Atlantic and the Pacific, and this is meant to be the link between, don't know, a car and a bigger car, something like that. So I hope you found it interesting. Thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15, and this is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on the internet. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe, and if you do, thanks very much, and if you don't, then never mind, but why have you been watching this now for 5 minutes? Thank you. All the best from me in Germany.